How to make an easy crock pot chicken chili my way. You know what time it is. Stop playing. Come on, let's go. Begin by carefully cutting your chicken into 1-inch cubes. Remove and throw away any fat that you see on your chicken. Carefully cut around that thick membrane and discard. Continue cutting your chicken into cubes and place them in a bowl. Cover your chicken with cold water followed by the white vinegar. Soak up to 1 hour. Then rinse several times with cold water, drain, and place your chicken back into the bowl. Using a colander, pour all of your beans into the colander and rinse several times with cold water until the water runs clear and the beans appear clean. Then drain and place your beans in a bowl and set to the side. Using a skillet on medium to high heat, add your oil. Now add all of your chicken to your skillet. Make sure to turn your chicken and cook 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Now add your onion and garlic powder, the black pepper, the smoked paprika, McCormick's chili seasoning, slap your mama Cajun seasoning. Stir and mix well. Cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Cut your heat off and you are now done. Set your crock pot to the high setting. Add all of your chicken to the bottom of the crock pot along with the seasoned pan drippings. Add the picked sweet vegetables, the diced tomatoes with chilies, the minced garlic. Add all of your beans, the baking soda and meat tenderizer, the chili seasoning, cumin seasoning, the McCormick chili seasoning, slap your mama Cajun seasoning, and the oregano. Mix all of the ingredients until well combined. Add your chicken broth and stir well. Cover your crock pot and cook on a high setting for 4 hours. After 4 hours, add your corn and heavy cream and stir your chili until well combined. Put your top back on your crock pot. turn your crock pot down to a low setting and cook for 1 more hour. After 5 hours, turn your crock pot setting down to warm. Your chicken chili is now done. And here you have it, the easy crock pot chicken chili my way. Tender chicken breasts, veggies, diced tomatoes with chilies, minced garlic, beans, chili seasoning, cumin seasoning, McCormick's chili seasoning, slap your mama Cajun seasoning, oregano, sweet cream style corn, and heavy cream. Add some cheese or sour cream or serve it all on top of some hot, steamy rice. You have to give this recipe a try. You know what time it is. Stop playing. This is DESHANTA B. Thank you guys so much for watching. You are so greatly appreciated. Check out Mark the Infinite Music Producer. Contact him through his Gmail and SoundCloud. And you know what I'm about to say. You know what time it is. Stop playing. And until next time, bye guys.